Have you ever packed your suitcase, clothes ready and passport ready, but your heart whispers, "I'm not ready"? That was me the night before I left. People think leaving home is hard, but the truth? Leaving your comfort zone hurts more. What if I told you the scariest part of chasing your dream isn't leaving home, it's fighting your own mind? My name is Jessica, and tonight I'm packing my life into one suitcase. Not clothes, not shoes, my memories, my dreams, my fears. I sit on the floor of my room, open suitcase, half-folded shirts, a small teddy bear from my childhood, my passport lying like a heavy stone on the bed. Everyone thinks I should be happy. "Wow, Jessica, you're going abroad. Lucky you." Lucky, a simple word. But tonight, I don't feel lucky. I feel terrified. I try to breathe deeply, but my chest feels tight. Suddenly, my brain starts talking again, louder and louder. What if I can't find a job? What if I can't understand anyone? What if I get sick there, alone? What if my family needs me, and I'm not here? A tear falls. I don't even feel it first. It just slides slowly. I look around my room, the same room where I grew up. Posters on the wall, photo of me and my best friend from school, my books, my perfume, everything familiar. And now I'm leaving it all. I whisper, maybe I'm not ready. My phone vibrates. Messages. Dad, we are proud of you. Friend, you'll be amazing, Jessie. Cousin, don't forget us when you are rich. I smile weakly. Everyone believes in me, except me. I'm tired. Not physically, mentally. Thinking. Too much thinking. I close my eyes and imagine the airport. The loud announcements, the planes, the goodbye hugs. And suddenly my heart beats faster. Boom, boom, boom. I can't do this. My mom enters quietly. She sits next to me on the floor, not saying anything first. Her hand touches mine, warm, soft, safe. My mom says, "You're overthinking again, right?" I nod and say, "What if everything goes wrong?" She smiles, tired, gentle, knowing smile, and says, "What if everything goes right?" I look down. She continues, "Jessica, fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means you are standing on the edge of growth." I feel my throat close, tears again. I hate crying, but tonight, I can't stop. Flashback to a memory. I am 12 years old, learning to ride a bicycle. I fall, I cry. Mom hugs and says, "Stand up, try again. You can do it, my darling." Back to now. Same feeling, same fear, different life. I say, "But what if I'm alone there?" Mom squeezes my hand and says, "Alone doesn't mean lonely, and you won't be alone. You carry us in your heart." I breathe in, slow, deep. I touch my suitcase zipper. My hands shake. The sound feels like a chapter closing. a life changing. I drag my suitcase quietly. Every step feels heavy. Dad hugs me, strong, emotional, not to show tears. My little sister gives me a drawing, a plane, a heart, and me holding her hand. Announcement echoes. Flight number. My legs want to stop. My brain screams, turn back, stay, don't go, it's safe here. But my heart whispers, safety never made you grow. Go, grow, trust. Mom wipes my tears and says softly, courage is fear that has learned to walk. I hug her tight, the kind of hug that feels like forever in 5 seconds. I take a deep breath, I smile through tears, and I say to myself strongly, I'm scared, but I'm going anyway. And I step forward. The airport doors close behind me, and in that moment, I finally understand. Sometimes the most beautiful journeys begin with shaking hands and a brave heart. Sometimes courage is just taking one step, even when everything in your head tells you not to. If your dreams don't scare you, they're too small. Overthinking won't protect you, but action will. And every brave journey begins with a shaking heart.